Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Patashala's Knowledge Archives on YouTube. This presentation is to help you master the space of DevOps and SREs on Amazon Web Services. The Cloud Patashala team is here to present you a video series on Amazon Web Services where we would be covering a wide array of topics. Today we would be looking to answer the question whether we could have 1,000,000 IP addresses in our VPC CIDR range in AWS. For this, we would be going into the AWS console, into the VPC section. I'll create a VPC and I'll give the VPC the name. I'll have the default tenancy and I'll give the name to this VPC. Once we give the name to this VPC, let's see what is the maximum amount of CIDR range that can be associated with this VPC. We definitely know from our previous videos that a /16 is possible. Let's also try to see if we could further increase the range of our VPC. But if you see, the maximum size range that is being allowed on the VPC is from a /16 to a /28 net mask. So we'll stick with /16. A /16, if everyone remembers from the CIDR range video, has 65,000 IP addresses, 65,536 IP addresses, which is something like this. So we would have 65,536 IP addresses in a /16 CIDR range. So that answers the question. We definitely cannot have 1,000,000 CIDR ranges, but then there's a twist to this story. What we could always do is have multiple CIDR ranges assigned to the VPC. So if I go to the VPC, if I go to edit CIDR ranges, what I could do is keep adding CIDR ranges to my existing VPC. So as you see, I've added another CIDR range to this existing VPC. In a similar way, I could keep adding more CIDR ranges on this VPC. So as you see, we already have 4 CIDR ranges. That's equivalent to 4 times of 65,000 IP addresses. I'll have my 5th CIDR range assigned to this VPC. And if I go to add the 6th one, I would be getting an error saying that the CIDR range could not be added because the maximum number of CIDR ranges that are allowed in a VPC is 5. So this is our VPC with 65,000 IPs into 5 CIDR ranges. So that's an equivalent of 3,27,680 IP addresses, of which we know that VPC does consume 5 IPs in each subnet that we create, so we would be left with a lot less number of IPs to be used. So this answers our question that a VPC unfortunately cannot support millions of IP addresses. But then 3 lakh devices in a VPC network is too huge to be managed, which I believe no network administrator would like to do. Well, that's it for this video. The agenda was to look at the maximum number of CIDR ranges that are possible in the VPC. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Do share the video with multiple people if you feel this information is worth sharing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.